Wagwan myself. This morning I'm going to be showing you how I make my tea while I'm at work. This morning I'm doing some soothing and refreshing pimento leaf tea. Guys, if you have never tried this tea, you need to try it. So I have 3 small pimento leaves. Usually if you have a big one, you only need 1 leaf. Alright, so I added the 3 pimento leaves and I'm going to pour in my hot water. And next I'm going to pour in some sugar. And I'm just going to stir it all in and allow it to draw. Guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Check out my channel for more videos and DIYs like these.